A very good morning to honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Mikhail Haras bin Muhammad Razif, and I'm 15 years old from SMK Tukukudin. Today, I'm going to review a book that I've read before. Among many books I read, a book entitled Whispers of the Wind is my favorite all the time. This book has 349 pages with 70 chapters. It's published by BookCube. No wonder, the title of the book already would give you a hint of what kind of genre this book. Yes, it is about adventure and magical. Let me know if you need any correction or improvement. This story is about a young prince named Ethan. He and his twin sister Mera take over the kingdom of Zuruko after their father goes missing. Most people believe that King Daemon from Tendazor killed their father, but Eden does not believe this. He thinks his father is still alive. He decides to find the truth. He leaves his kingdom with his best friend, Sophian. Mera stays behind the rules. They travel through different lands by using a magical raindrops. Along the way, they face many dangers. They visit a kingdom in the sky, fight enemies, and learn about secret past or future. This book has many important lessons. First, don't give up. Ethan keeps searching for his father even when others do not believe him. This shows us that we should keep trying even when life is hard. Second, be brave. Ethan leaves his house to find the truth and face many dangers. This teaches us to step out of our comfort zone. Third, know yourself. Ethan learns how to know herself and what she wants. We can also learn about ourselves and face challenges. So why teenagers should read this book? Because it is full of adventure and magical, and also have many important lessons. Growing up is not easy. We have to face many problems like friends, family, and school. This can teach us to help us to grow up. So that has many important lessons. First, never give up. If you have a dream, you have to work hard and reach it. Second, be brave. Try to do something new and believe in yourself you can do it. Third, learn from your experience. Every mistake or challenge can help you grow up. At the end, Whispers of the Wind is a great book for teenagers. It's about adventure, magical, and learning who you are. I really recommend it. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much and bye-bye.